Hello, YouTube. Tonight I'll be showing you how to make Joel's famous nachos. Alright, so we got some pepper jack, Colby cheese on some Santitas Grande tortilla chips. And we got a bowl full of Parmesan cheese. What I'm going to use this for, and I'm going to add butter to it, is the cheese sauce that you make to pour over the nachos, guys. Very important if you're going to eat nachos to have some kind of like cheese sauce on top of it. Anyways, so I have the proper ingredients I need. I'm going to take a bit of sweet honey mustard and put a tad bit in there. Here we go. Then we're gonna put some Kensington's chipotle mayonnaise in there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the secret ingredient, which I call it Beaver Jalapeno Mustard. Extra hot. This is like brand new. Put a pretty good amount in there for spiciness. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to put some water in here, because it'll kind of dilute the cheese and the sauces together. And then I'm going to add some pepper to it. Alright. And now I'm going to add a couple jalapenos to the cheese sauce. And add some jalapeno juice to the cheese sauce. I'm also going to put jalapenos on top of the nachos when they're done cooking. Alright, put a few jalapenos in there. And now it's time to cook the nachos. Usually I put the nachos in for at least 30 seconds at a time, so that it has a slow cooking speed for the nachos. And I usually stop it in between. Also, what I'm going to add to the cheese sauce is 1 slice of pepper jack cheese, guys, to the Parmesan cheese sauce. So make it thicker and have a lot of different flavor. Alright, our nachos are looking pretty melted right now. I'm going to add some jalapenos on top of the nachos. Alright, that should be enough jalapenos. Now I'm going to put the nachos back in for about 15 seconds. Alright, it's been 20 seconds. I'm going to stop the microwave. Alright, so the cheese is really melted now. It's about how long you want. If you want some good cheesy nachos, that's about how long you want to cook it for. Now I have cooked jalapenos on there too. Now it's time to make the cheese sauce. I'm at least going to put this in here for about a minute, but I'm going to stop it. You can hear the butter sizzling already. Last time I made some fried cheese out of that. It was really good to put on the nachos. Alright, I'm going to stop it there. And now, guys, this is like a well-blended cheesy nacho sauce that you can put on your friggin' nachos. And I'm showing you guys how to make it. Badass. Mixing it up. Now I'm going to put it back in there for like 15 seconds so that the pepper jack melts. Alright, guys. Now we have our cheese sauce. Jalapeno cheese sauce. These are Joel's, and I call them Joel's Awesome Nachos. Yeah. Alright, now, guys, I'm going to visibly pour this over the nachos now. It's going to look so good. Alright, now we've made it super good nachos, guys. Look. All oily and ready to eat. Just the way I like it. Alright, guys, please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. This is the kind of food I'll be making on this cooking channel of mine now. Alright, thanks. Please leave likes, comments, whatever you guys feel free to do. Thanks for watching. Until next time.